There are two types of people in this world. People that get rice at Panda Express and people that get chow mein at Panda Express. I'm not saying that one is right or wrong, but if you're not getting chow mein, you're definitely doing it wrong. A lot of people don't realize how easy it is to make your own Panda Express chow mein. It's 3 easy steps: boil, saute, and toss. So today I'm going to show you how to make Panda Express's chow mein right at home. First, we are going to cut our green cabbage. I prefer to cut mine to make ribbons out of the cabbage. I find that it blends well with the texture of the noodles, so it doesn't stand out quite as much. With Panda Express, sometimes you get some crazy pieces of cabbage in there. I like to keep mine a little bit more consistent. Next, we're going to add celery. Now, the celery adds a wonderful crunch in the chow mein. So we're going to take a celery stalk, cut it in half, and then we are going to chop it into slightly smaller bits, and we're going to toss that in with our cabbage as well. Next, we're going to take an onion, and we are going to slice it so they are also kind of thinly sliced, just like our cabbage. It's going to blend well with the texture of the noodles too. Now, to go a little extra, I blended some garlic and ginger. I personally think this is going to add really nice flavor to the sauce. We are going to saute our veggies all together, our onions, celery, and cabbage. We want to make sure that those all get nice and golden brown. And we're going to add our ginger and our garlic as well, and we're going to stir that around in a wok. Next, we're going to add about a tablespoon of sugar, some soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. These 3 ingredients are pretty much all you need to make the famous chow mein from Panda Express, and you're just going to stir that around with our vegetables and let that simmer. For this recipe, we are using a Yakisoba noodle. I found that the texture of the noodles are really similar to what Panda Express uses. You can also use a ramen noodle as well, or depending on your flavor and even dietary preference, you can use buckwheat noodles or even rice noodles. But these yakisoba noodles were closest to what I could find in the store. So once your noodles have boiled, and it really doesn't take long, we are going to transfer them over into the vegetable and sauce mixture, and we are going to toss. And we are literally going to just, if you can, try to flip the wok up, and we're going to try to get those noodles in the air. If not, just give them a really nice stir. And really, that's it. That is all you need. 3 ingredients for the sauce, some veggies and noodles, and you are done. Of course, we had to plate it in a little carry-out container. Now, if you want to elevate this chow mein just a little bit more, add your own personal touch, you can also add sesame seeds and green onion. That's something that I added just for a little fun garnish as well. Adds a little bit of flavor and crunch, but you can totally leave it plain if you would like, and that's it. And there you have it, the perfect copycat Panda Express chow mein recipe. I hope you all enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this video and to follow us at Sauced Up Foods on all social media. Have a great day!